Hey guys, welcome back for another video. And so for today's vlog, I'll be sharing with you kung kamusta na nga ba yung aking secured credit card ko with BPI. So before you proceed this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for more updates, just click the notification ring bell button and follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Threads, X, TikTok, and Laika at RayRayNatics. Again, if you don't like my contents like this, then definitely just leave this video and humanap na lang kayo ng ibang content creator na mas favorable sa inyo. So, ayun na nga. Kung gusto niyo pa rin ako i-bash, I would say this na you're just wasting your time. So, yeah. I'm sorry. So anyways, a lot of you guys na nag-chat sa akin sa Instagram, sa TikTok at the same time kung kamusta na nga ba yung yung secured credit card ko with BPI. So eto siya. Ito yung secured credit card ko with BPI, pero ngayon naging na siya, regular credit card na siya. And at the same time, na-increase na naman din ako ng credit limit nito. So ayan siya. Ito yung credit card ko with BPI. Okay? So, I don't know if this video would be exceeded some extra time, sorry. Pero if not, just na lang din. Just stick to the point na lang na baka short video lang ito. Okay, so, ayun na nga. So, nung umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, kasi syempre bumalik na ako dito sa Hawaii ngayon kasi malapit na yung pasukan. So anyways, nung umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, since I got some of the credit cards na matataas na yung tier, and at the same time malalaki na yung credit limit. Ayun, so nung umuwi ako noon, nagpa-request ako na pa-release na yung holdout amount nito na nakaano dun sa ko sa savings account ko. And then ayun, ang kinakailangan lang nila is yung one valid ID ko, and then at the same time pinakita ko lang sa kanila yung yung credit card statement of account ko sa ibang bangko na napapatunay na yun yung aking secondary card ko na may mas mataas ng credit limit. So ayun, pero yung pinakaibang option talaga na na mas prefer nila is yung ITR ninyo o yung payslip. Pero sa case ko naman, ang pinasok ko lang is yung mga yun nga, yung passport tsaka yung credit card statement of account. So yun lang naman. And then, I just had to wait for just a few days. And then, ayun na-release na, I just had to wait for a few days before na Pero, una sa lahat, lang muna, parang mag-i-increase lang muna sila ng credit limit nito. Ayan siya. So, basically, ang initial credit limit ko nito is, 28,000. Pero sadly, gusto ko sana yung mga nasa 100,000 pesos and above na, kasi from the previous video na mention ko is when I'm going to get a credit card, gusto ko mga 100,000 pesos and above. But unfortunately, na-increase lang ako for up unto 70,000 pesos only. So ayun, pero for me okay lang naman din. And then as long as siguro mga after 6 months ulit, then definitely I would call this bank to request a credit limit ulit. So ayun, para I have to make sure na mapapantay na yung mga credit cards ko with my other credit cards that I have with me. So ito yung mga credit cards na na meron ako ngayon. So papakita ko siya sa inyo Wait lang. Kasi na to puro platinum na, or what you call the premium cards. So, ayan siya. Ito na yung mga premium cards ko. And then, some of the other credit cards that I have, especially yung mga basic, pina-cut ko na sila. So, ayan. Ito na lang yung mga natitirang credit cards ko. Ayan siya. And then, meron pa akong itong Robinson's cashback, which is I recently got it. So, ayun. Basically, magiging BPI na rin daw siya. Magiging BPI din daw siya for next year, if I'm not mistaken. So, ayan. Kasi nag-merge na nga sila doon sa Robinson's Bank into BPI. So, basically, kapag halimbawa, pag magiging BPI na to, and then, pag mag-shared sila ng credit limit na ito, then definitely ipapakat ko na to. And then, ayun, gagawin ko na lang siyang isang limit na lang for this one. And then eventually, like, yun nga, as what I said earlier na for after ng 6 months, magpapa-request ulit ako ng credit limit increase nito. So, ayan. So, ayun, yun lang naman yung video na to. So, if you have any more questions or hindi klaro sa inyo, just leave the comment na lang. Pero please guys, iwas po tayo sa mga negative comments dyan. I know there are some other content creators dyan na talagang magaling sila ng instructions and all that. For me, ako lang naman nito hindi ko po kailangan ng mga improvements as long as meron po ako nasi-share sa inyo. So, ayun nga, if meron kayong hindi klaro, just leave the comments just leave a comment in the comment section below na lang. So, ayun. Sorry kasi medyo na ako kasi medyo inaantok na rin ako So, yun lang naman guys. I hope you find this video appreciated that much. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video, and peace for now.